Welcome back! In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use voice notes in the document. Voice notes can be used to rehearse sentences or to plan ideas before writing. To use voice notes, click the voice note icon in the document ribbon. Then click the red record button to record your speech. I like playing tennis. Once you've finished your recording, you can listen to it by clicking play. Click record to re-record, or click done to add your voice note to the document. Your voice note appears as a speech bubble to the left of your document. Click to hear the recording as often as you need to. I like playing tennis. Or right-click to re-record or delete it. You can record up to 6 voice notes in a document. Each one will appear in a different colour and can hold up to a minute of recording. Thanks for watching. See our other tutorials for more Clicker features.